Instagram down. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. So I know that many of you have problems right now with the Instagram app. So if you go to your Instagram and if you try to load your page, it will not work. So many problems are at the app. If you try to go to Twitter, you will see that many people also have this problem. So you are not the only one, so don't worry about it. And the solution here is just wait. You can try to go to their website, to instagram.com instead of the app, and maybe that will work. So you can try and do that. And also you can uninstall your app and then reinstall it again and see if it works, or to update it. But I'm sure that Instagram and Meta will fix this as soon as possible, so don't worry about it. If you do have this problem, you can comment in the comment section down below and tell me your thoughts. And if this video was useful for you, you can like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.